Hello, mom and sir. Have a good day. Thank you for letting me introduce myself to you. Um, I'm Annabel Gravila Puente, 35 years old, married. I have three kids, ages 17 years old boy, 15 years old boy, and the youngest is 3.5 years old girl. For my work experience, I working as a sales lady last 2006 here in Philippines. And the second is I work in factory worker last 2007 here in Philippines also. And the next is I working as a domestic helper in Hong Kong last 2013. My main duties are taking care of the children, 4 years old and 2 years old. The 4 years old is girl and the 2 years old is boy. I bring her to the school and I also pitch her from school. Then I also doing the house chores like I clean the house, washing clothes, and ironing, and also help Popo to cook. I'm not finished this contract because I have a family problem before. My husband cheated on me, so I decided to go back home to settle it. And the next is I working also in Singapore from January 18, 2018 until June 21, 2019. My main duties are taking care of the children, 7 years old and 4 years old, same girl. I bring them to the school and I also fetch them from school. Then I also doing housework like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking. Also, Popo sometimes ask me to go market to buy something, and also sometimes wash car. Then I'm not finished this contract because that time my mother's need me. She is on the hospital. She's on the emergency, so I asked my employer to go back home to take care of my mother until she get better. Mom, sir, I love cooking. I'm trustworthy person. I'm good person. I elderly caring. I'm children caring. If you have children, I treat her like my own child. And if you have elderly, I take care of him or her like my mother and father. Then I love also pets like dogs and cat. Then I want to go back in Hong Kong because I want to work again to support my kids. First, them needs uh, their study, and especially I want to support my family also. And mom, sir, please hire me. I finish my contract and I promise I do good for you. Thank you and have a good day.